Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dropbox Sign templates for recurring insurance paperwork, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Dropbox Sign account and log in. Navigate to the Templates section from the main dashboard. Click on the Create Template button to start a new document. Select the type of document you want to create for insurance paperwork. Upload the necessary file from your computer. Once uploaded, you can customize the template by adding fields like text boxes, signatures, and dates. Use the sidebar to drag and drop required fields into the document. Adjust the size and position of each field to suit your layout. Ensure that you mark any required fields as mandatory for signers. After customizing, click on Save Template to store your changes. Next, assign a name to your template for easy identification. Return to the Templates section and locate your newly created template. Select the template and click on the Send option to initiate the signing process. Enter the email addresses of all recipients involved in the insurance paperwork. Specify the signing order if any recipient must sign before others. You can set a custom message for your recipients for better context. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Click on the Send for Signing button to distribute the document. To set up for recurring processes, navigate to the Automation section. Choose to create an automated workflow using your saved template. Select the frequency for recurring templates, such as weekly or monthly. Define the start date for the first occurrence of the paperwork. Add recipient email addresses to the automated workflow. Configure any additional settings, such as reminders or expiration dates. Once configured, save the automation settings. Your recurring insurance paperwork is now set up. Monitor the templates and automation sections for any upcoming documents. You can edit or stop automation at any time as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.